Good morning, students. This is a mathematics class for the 8th standard students. So today we are going to learn about the algebraic expressions. Say before we go to deal with the chapter, let us come to know some of the basic terms in the algebra. So in mathematics, you would have seen we use many symbols or in the form of alphabets or in the form of the numbers. Say we use many terms like we can use x or we can use m or we can use y, z. We will use many of the alphabets like this in mathematics. Or sometimes we will use the numbers maybe or -5 maybe 8 or 3/4 like that. We will use the numbers too, okay, and sometimes we will use the alphabets. So in mathematics, see, wherever we use the numerical symbols, these numerical symbols they indicate a particular value. See, the value -5 remains -5 only. Okay, here it remains only in any situation. Okay, this particular fixed value which is indicated by the numerical symbol, it remains unaltered, it remains unchanged. That's why such symbols they are called as the constants. Constants. Usually this word refers to the numbers in mathematics. And again, on the other hand, we will use some of the alphabets we will use. These alphabets, the value of these alphabets in mathematics they keep on changing. Means it is altered, it is changeable. That's why these symbols in mathematics they are called as the variables, because the value of these alphabets keep on changing. Here the value of these numerical symbols it doesn't change, it remains unchanged, it remains unaltered. Okay, so in this we are going to learn some of the terms which are called as the monomials, binomials, trinomials. What are they called? It means polynomials. On what basis they are called as? Okay. In mathematics, okay, if I write an example, I'll show you. I'll write 3x minus 4 and 2x squared or 3x plus 5y minus 2z. Okay, here I have written some of the terms here. So in this, always we have to remember that in mathematics, plus and the minus sign, plus and minus sign, these signs will separate the terms. If there is a plus or minus sign in between the symbols, then this plus or minus sign will separate the terms. Here I can just say 3x minus 4. It means this minus sign it separates the 3x from the 4 or it separates the 4 from the 3x. Just I can say these are two terms, not one term. This one term and this one term. Here there is no minus or plus sign in between them, but here I can see the sign of multiplication. Multiplication or division, they do not separate the terms. Okay, so plus or minus only they will separate. So here the multiplication sign is there 2x here, so it is considered as the one term only. Here we can say here is the plus, here is the minus, it separates the terms. That's why I can say this is one term, this is 2, this is 3. Okay, wherever we can say only one term, we can name it as the monomial. It is called as the monomial, means one term. Okay, wherever we find the two terms, you can just name them as the binomial. Binomial means two terms. Here again we can say the three terms 1, 2, 3. Because the plus and minus and they are separating the terms. We can say the trinomial means three terms. Okay. In general, all these terms they are called as the polynomials. Okay, so we have to remember plus and minus sign, they always separate the terms. Here the minus sign has separated the terms, here plus and minus they are separated, here there is no plus or minus, that's why it is considered as the one term only. Okay, so you can say if I write, I will take an example. See, I got a particular term here, minus 9x. So here I have written the minus 9x. In this term, this minus 9, it is called as the numerical coefficient of x. It is called as the numerical coefficient. Okay, the numerical coefficient of x is minus 9 again side. Again like that, if I write 2 by 3 1, if I write this 2 by 3 is called as the numerical coefficient. Again like that, minus 5 x cube, if I write, then minus 5 is called as the numerical coefficient of x cube. This is only one term, these are examples. Okay, say another thing we will have to remember in mathematics. See, if I just write a variable x, okay, even though if I do not mention the exponent of this will be 1. Like that. Again, even though if I do not mention the denominator will always be 1. Like that, the numerical coefficient is always the 1 in it. Wherever just you can say the variable like this, even though if you do not indicate, it will be having the exponent as the 1, denominator as the 1, and the numerical coefficient as the 1. Okay, just we came to know monomial means only one term. We came to know how it is, there should not be any plus or minus sign in between them. Okay, binomial means 2 terms, trinomial means 3 terms. In general, they are called as the polynomials. Okay, let us say some of the basic terms still in this. Say the like and unlike terms. After that, I will give some examples. Okay, say like and unlike terms. Like and unlike terms. Say for the like terms there is a condition, the variable should be same with the same exponent. Such terms are called as the like term. For example, I will write 2m minus 9m 2 by 5m or minus root 2m. See, here I can say these are all called as the like terms. There are two conditions for that. The variable you can see in each term it is the same, m. And another condition, that variable should be having the same exponent. For example, you can see the exponent as 1, 1, 1, 1. Okay. Now these terms are called as the like term. What is the condition for that? The terms should be having the same variable as they are having as m. Okay. And the exponent should be same. Only one exponent left. Okay. If I write the exponent as like this, 2, this is of 1, this is of m cube, this is of m raised to 4. Now, even though they are having the same variable m, but they are not the like terms because the second condition doesn't apply upon them. Okay, what is the second condition? It should be having the same exponent. But here, what happened? You can see the variable has got the different exponents 1, 2, 3, 4 like. Okay, so these terms are not called as the like terms. Okay, understood? So I will show another example if you want. Okay, I can just write 3xz minus 4 by 9xz. Okay, or you can just square z square. Okay, or xz square simply I can write. See, this is also an example for the like term, because here also you can see the same variable group xz square. Okay, and if you look at the exponent of x, it is 1 1 1 in each term. Here it is the exponent of the z is 2 2 2 here everywhere. Okay, so these are also the like terms. Okay, on the other hand, the unlike terms. What are the unlike terms? The terms having the different variables with the same exponents, or the different variables with the different exponents. I will show you. See, I can write here a raised to 3 and minus 3 a square, or 5z minus 6 by 7 a. These are called as the unlike terms, because we can say everywhere here the variables are different, z is a is a, but with the different exponents. Here you can say the exponents of the variable. Here it is a3, a2, here it is z, here it is a1. So the conditions doesn't apply upon that. So that's why these are called as the unlike terms. Again, I can show you. Say 3n square and m x y z. These are called as the unlike terms, because the different variables are there. Here, even though if I am having the same variable here, but having the different exponents, so they are called as the unlike terms. So do we come to know? Like terms means the terms must be having the same variable with the same exponent. You can see here. Okay. Unlike terms means the terms having the same variable with the different exponents, or the different variables with the different exponents. They are called as the unlike terms. So did you come to know? The monomial, binomial. Monomial means only one term. Binomial means two terms. Tri means three terms. In general, they are called as the polynomials. Okay. So these are the basic terms of the algebraic expression. So tomorrow we will study how to separate these terms into different polynomials. Means monomial, binomial, and trinomial. And you came to know what is called as the numerical coefficient. Okay. So tomorrow we will discuss the next one.